Hello everyone and welcome on this new live trading session. This is Salah speaking, and today I'm going to focus to trade actually, or to scalp the pound pairs, pound NZD, pound CAD, pound JPY, pound AUD and pound CHF, along with the gold. These pairs, my friends, can give us a lot more profits than any other pairs. We can include also the Euro NZD and the NZD JPY as well. But however, I always prefer the gold and the pound pairs. That's the reason I place all the pound pairs together at the top of my chart. So let's now begin together and let's see the opportunities that actually are waiting for us with the pound. So for example, the pound NZD so far, I don't actually see any opportunity at all. So far the pair is actually ranging right here at the peak of the resistance right here. The pair still did not break out from that structure, and therefore we have to wait to see the next movement for the pound NZD. If the pair is going to make a bullish breakout from that resistance, then of course we will be trading the retest after the market creates a new support. If the market is going to continue the fall, then we will wait for another pullback, retesting the support trend line right here, and just place the sell order when the market retests the broken support level. However, so far there is nothing clear with the pound NZD, so let me now skip it and go to the next one. Pound CAD. Pound CAD is a different story. As we can see, the market has made the bullish breakout exactly from that structure of the resistance at 1.65935. So let me just make it clear for you. Exactly like that. We're having right here on the same level a broken resistance, which was previously, of course, a strong key support level. Therefore, after this strong bullish movement, now we can expect from the the pound CAD to make another pullback exactly right here, because my friends, here we're having the resistance. This is a resistance number 1, and of course right here at the creation of resistance number 2, we can place our sell order, and the target will be right here when the market retests the broken support level, or the previous support level. It's gonna be retesting the broken resistance level, and I'm going to place sell order right now. Perfect. Placed. Now the take profit, the stop loss is gonna be placed just like 14 pips far away from the entry. Meanwhile, the take profit level is exactly right here. So I'm aiming to make $120 from this trade. This is gonna be a fun trade because I'm gonna be trading the pullback, and I'm going to trade also the retest of the broken level. And of course, pay attention to how precise my entry was. And of course, my friends, as you know, it's because I'm using IC markets. IC markets is providing me with these very low spreads, which is perfect for me as a scalper. And the pound CAD is only 0.3 spread. That is exactly what I want as a scalper, and that's exactly the reason why I have been using IC markets for the last 6 years so far. Anyway, things are going great. We are, by the way, on the 30-minute time frame. And of course, for those who have not been watching our channel before, or those who are watching me for the first time, I need to show you, my friends, which video you have to watch first in order to understand this video. Let me show you the videos, 1 second. So of course, here's my channel on YouTube. All you need to do is click on playlists and then click on Forex Scalping Strategies. Click on this video, or you can open it here, my friends, and you need to watch these videos right here. The best Forex scalping strategy explained in details. You might need to follow it later with this one as well. The best Forex strategy, how to make 20 pips every day. This is actually the best video on my channel, and actually it's very inspiring and educative, and you guys really need to watch it in order to understand what kind of strategy I'm using in this video. So anyway, everything is going so far so well. Let me just explain to you my thing here, or what I'm doing exactly. So right here, we're having the resistance trend line, exactly just like that. So we have right here, my friends, the bullish movement, which has actually made the bullish breakout from that resistance trend line. Let me explain to you something. The normal behavior of the market, once it has like that, a resistance trend line, and the resistance trend line is just exactly just like that, and the market finally makes the bullish breakout from that resistance trend line, the normal behavior is the market will continue the rise till it reaches the peak of that resistance level exactly right here, and then it's going to fall down all the way, retesting that broken resistance trend line. That's exactly the reason I have placed my trade exactly right here, because this is where exactly the trend has started, and we can see the attempts, one resistance trend line, attempt number 1, 2, and 3, and even 4. So this bullish movement happened right here. The market is going to reverse exactly right here, and then it's gonna continue the fall all the way till it reaches the support level exactly right here. So pay attention that we are having here also a support level, which is gonna be retested very soon after the market make the bearish reversal or the pullback upon the pressure from the resistance at 1.66102. You might see the trade going against you for a few minutes. Don't be panic at all. Just be patient enough, and remember, you are right now on the 30-minute time frame, and this candle still has 1 minute and 40 seconds for the expiration of its lifespan time. Usually, the market or the candle at its last few seconds is going to make some naughty moves. The market actually might start to scare the traders to make them think that they are about to lose the trade, and as you can see, some of the traders might get in panic and will close the trade immediately in loss. Always remember, for example, if you are on the 1 hour time frame, you will see the minute, I would say about 59 point, let's say 50. In the last 10 seconds of its lifespan time, you will see the candle moving very fast. If you are on the 4 hour time frame, same thing exactly. After 3 hours, and let's say about 59 minutes and 50 seconds, on the last 10 seconds, you will see the candle moving very fast to decide the final shape of the price action, of course. So anyway, this candle still has 40 seconds. Let me show you something. Now, this candle seems crazy, and it's going against my direction. But keep in mind, there are still 30 seconds. Look at the time right here, my friends. The time is right here. 26, 25, 24. I'm not going to pause the recording. I will keep it running so you can see the final movement of these candles. Check this out. Let's watch together. Now, last 14 seconds. Check this out. 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Now take a look how this candle will react. It was a very strong bullish candle. But let's take a look now at 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, take a look at the next candle. Let me, of course, draw the zone right here. Exactly just like that. So, do you see what happened, my friends? This candle scared the traders to make them think that this trade is going to be in loss, but thankfully, I think so far it's not going to be in loss at all, and the market eventually will continue the fall, and we will close it in profit. So, let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Alright, my friends, so I found that the pound JPY has a very similar setup to the pound CAD. Again, we need to place the sell order right now. Let me just reduce the lot size to make it only 1, not 1.2, just to be sure I'm not so careless. And the trade has been placed, sorry. The trade has been placed. Let me just set first thing at all to set my stop loss, just to be right here. $150, that's fine. Meanwhile, the take profit level will be, of course, placed right here. Of course, there is a reason why placed right here. So, however, let me just tell you about the pound JPY. Similar thing to the pound CAD. Here, my friends, we're having a resistance trend line, which has been also breaking out from. And again, as we can see, the market has reached the resistance level exactly right here, where the trend has just started. And then now is the right time to start shorting the pound JPY, because the market has created right here a resistance number 3, actually. Because right here we have resistance number 1, resistance 2, and right now we place our sell order at the third attempt of the resistance. And as we can see, right now we are in a profit. We are running in a profit. The pound CAD is also going in a good profit. As you can see, yes, look at that. Perfect. Fantastic. The pound CAD is very close to the take profit level. As I told you, my friends, don't ever get panic. Be sure of your analysis, and your ability of reading the market like an opened book is gonna really be very helpful and profitable for you. I'm very happy. I'm very happy to see what I'm saying happening. What I'm saying here and teaching on my channel is really working very well, and it's for free for everyone, my friends, to apply this strategy and to make these nice profits. That's why also, of course, I love Forex. It's like a video game. Being able to read the market like that is something extraordinary, honestly. Anyway, let's not rush and celebrate. Maybe it will fail, I don't know. Let's see what will gonna happen. So far running in 10 pips of profit, and it's very close to hit the take profit number 1. I want to close it actually with $100 of profit if I can. Let's see and wait for the right moment. Let's just wait. I really want to close it with $100 at least. Hopefully this account can reach $2,000 by end of this session. And let's check the pound JPY also running in good profit. So anyway, I was telling you about the pound JPY. It's a very similar setup to the pound CAD as well. So the market now has reached the level of the resistance, and now it's going to continue the fall till it reaches the support level right here, retesting also the broken resistance trend line. Do you see the similarity? Exactly, that's how the market works. Anyway, it's going very well. So far everything is going so well. So maybe we need to pause the recording. I think let's pause the recording and I'll be back to you shortly once we are done with this trade. And the candle is approaching the take profit level, my friends. I think it's gonna hit it right now. And I think I'm gonna close this trade right now with $81 of profit. Okay, I'll pause the video again. $100 of profit, 98. That's fine. Yes! It hit the take profit level. Fantastic, fantastic. I'm very happy for that. I mean, happening on live trading video is something extraordinary. It's something different. I mean, the excitement is doubled, honestly, when everyone on YouTube can see your trade and believe that what you are teaching is real and it's really profitable. Anyway, so far also the pound JPY is running in 5-6 pips of profit. Let me know, please. Try to find another setup. And actually the target is to reach $2,000 by end of the video. I think we are very close to reach that target. So now I'm checking. Okay. All right. Now for the pound CHF, we're having very special setup. Let me just tell you. Of course, my friends, those who are following my weekly analysis, they know very well what I'm talking about the real support level and the false one. So as you can see right here, we have the real level of the support, and we can see how the market has been respecting that level continuously. Then, recently the market has also created here what we can call a false breakout or a fake breakout. Therefore, we can expect from that level of a real support level to be respected again. So buying the pound CHF exactly at that level of the lowest level of the support right here is going to be wise decision in my opinion, and we can make good profits after buying the pound CHF exactly right from that level. If we place the buy order there, the target has to be exactly right here, the next level of the resistance, or the nearest resistance level to our entry. Meanwhile, the stop loss has to be placed exactly right here. Now, why right here? Because this is the lowest level below the lowest level of the support right here. So let me just tell you that we are having here a support zone, just like that. Let me just be more accurate, exactly like that. So that's a support zone. And if exceeding that level, if the market is going to be able to exceed that level, it means that it has made another bearish breakout from that level of a real support. And by the way, of course, those who have been using my weekly analysis signals, so far the pound USD is running in, I would say, about 40 pips of profit. AUD USD also has been triggered and currently running in 41 pips of profit. The other signals hasn't been triggered yet. I really hope you guys have been taking these signals and now enjoying these profits with Xtreme Trader. Anyway, let me now increase the lot size, actually make it 1.3, since actually we have made some good profits from the pound CAD and currently also making some good profits from the pound JPY, then we can increase the lot size. Anyway, let me now please pause the recording and I'll be back to you later once I open the new trade and get done with the pound JPY. And as you can see, my friends, the pound JPY also is making a very decent profit, and the account is very close to the $2,000. $82, I think that's gonna be a good amount to close this trade right now. It actually might continue the fall, But the problem here is I have here also a previous resistance level, which was previously also a support. There is a chance that the market might make a pullback right here. So therefore, I think it's actually not a bad idea to close this trade right now with these good profits that we have made. 71, $70, 68. Let's check the pound CHF again. The market is approaching the buy level, and I'm really waiting for that entry to happen. I don't know. I think I should close this trade right now. It actually was running in $88 of profit when I resumed the recording. Right now it's 67, 68, 66. Let's see what will gonna happen. Let me know, please, again. Pause the recording. Alright, so $90 of profit, and I'm gonna take it, and I have closed this trade with $90 of profit. So far, we have made approximately $200 of profit within from just two trades, and that is really very good. Let's check now the pound CHF. It's approaching the entry level. However, I think I'm going to lower my entry to be exactly right here. Exactly right here. Why right here? Because actually this is as lowest as the price can go to. I don't want to risk losing some pips right here. Actually, it has a potential to reach this level of a support. I'm really thinking. I think I should actually wait and give this trade more time before placing the buy order. Always, it's advised actually, my friends, to place your trade at the lowest level of the support, where the trade can go as maximum as it can, to avoid losing any pips. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I will just wait for the price to fall to another 12 pips before we can place the next buy order. Meanwhile, let me check the gold. The gold doesn't show us any good setup at all right now. Let me check the Euro and ZD. Euro and ZD also doesn't show us anything promising at all. We just have to wait some more time to have a better entry. Let me check the NZD JPY. And also the NZD JPY doesn't really show us anything interesting. Back to the pound CHF, and I'm going to wait for the market to continue the fall till it reaches 1.22514, which was the lowest level of the support. Until then, let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you once I open the new trade. Alright, so the pound CHF is actually taking some time, but however, I have found the gold. The gold actually showing us something very interesting. I'm going, of course, to reduce the lot size to make it 0.50 should be fine, and I'm going to place the sell order exactly right. Let me just be sure. Sell order. Actually, the market might actually continue the rise till it reaches that resistance level exactly right here. Now pay attention that we have right here the resistance trend line number 1, and right here resistance trend line number 2. Now the gold is going to continue the rise till it reaches the peak of the resistance exactly right here. So therefore, placing a buy order right now is not going to be a bad idea, but however, it might actually be a bad entry. We need always to place our buy order at the right level. A little bit nervous about that because I think it's going to continue the rise, obviously. Look at that. The bullish movement is very strong. I'm going to place the buy order right now. Perfect. And again, check this out. My entry was perfect because I'm using, of course, IC markets, and IC markets providing me only, I would say, 0.6 spread on the gold, which is fantastic for the scalpers. Now, the bullish movement is very strong. And as I told you before, the market will continue the rise till it reaches the resistance level right here before it fall again, retesting the broken resistance trend line. I placed my stop loss right here randomly. I just want to make sure that I'm saving my account from any sudden movements. Now pay attention. The stop loss is actually just $200, which is exactly what I have made from the previous two trades. So from the last two trades, I made $200 of profit, and right now I'm investing my profit in this trade. Now the account is above $2,000. Right now we are running in 15 pips of profit, $80, and done. That's it. Fantastic. That is a scalping, my friends. That's why I really love to scalp the market. Right now, I'm so happy. Now the account is above $2,000. My target has been achieved in this trade, and 20 minutes video is actually long enough. I don't want to make it longer than that. So Guys, I really hope you have learned a lot of things in this live trading session. I think it was very, very educative and very informative, and I hope you guys can apply. And I want really to see in the comments your opinion about these kinds of scalping trades. I wanted to apply it in your daily trades and share with me your experience. Did you really make any profits? Did you enjoy it? Have you made any profits using my scalping strategy? Let me know please in the comments, what do you think about this strategy and your experience using it. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.